Hello everyone, myself Yuvadhan L. I am currently pursuing my MCA from Nagarjuna College of Management Studies, Chikbalapur, and also doing my online internship on embedded system provided by Emertxe Information Technologies. Emertxe Information Technologies is an education and training company specializing in embedded systems. It is established in the year 2003 and based in Bangalore, Karnataka. Emertxe offers industry-oriented training programs designed to equip individuals with practical skills and knowledge in embedded systems, IoT, Android, and related technology. Their training methodology emphasizes hands-on learning through project-based approaches facilitated by experienced faculty members and industry professionals. Today, I will be explaining the project based on washing machine simulation using PicsimLab. The board which I will be using today is PicGen iOS, and the microcontroller which I will be using is PIC16F877A. The contents I will be briefing on is Introduction to Embedded Programming, Embedded C, Microcontroller and Hardware. What is embedded system? It is a combination of both hardware and software which is embedded into the system hardware. It is used to program a wide range of microcontrollers and microprocessors. It requires less number of resources to execute in comparison with high-level languages such as assembly-level languages. It has a various embedded C compiler to compile the embedded C program such as KIL compiler, CPJ compiler, embedded GNU C compiler, etc. Types of embedded system. Based on performance and functional requirements, there are four: real-time, network, mobile and standalone. Real time. It performs any task in given time period. Coming to network, to communicate between one to another system such as switches, router, etc. Mobile, it acts as a sensor, not only the screen sensor but also it contains embedded components. Coming to standalone, it takes the input, processes and gives the output. Application of standalone are microwave, refrigerator, etc. Overview of C programming. C programming is a general purpose high level language that was originally developed by Dennis M. Ritchie to develop the Unix operating system at Bell Labs. It provides fine-grained control over hardware, making it highly efficient. As a result, C is commonly used to develop system-level programs like designing operating system, OS kernels, etc. Some of the keywords used in C language are break, double, char, do, if, for, int, long, void, while, etc. Data types in C. C supports basic data types such as integers, floating points, characters and void. This also includes derived data types like arrays, pointers, structures and unions. Enumerated types allows you to define a set of name constraints, whereas user-defined data types allows you to define your own data types using structures, unions and type defs. Some of the operators used in C are as follows: arithmetic operators, assignment operators and logical operators. Under assignment operators there is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Coming to assignment operator, assign, that is equals, add and assign, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, divide and assign, modulus and assign. And in logical operators there are three: logical AND, logical OR and logical NOT. Arrays. Arrays is a collection of elements of same data type arranged in contiguous memory locations. Arrays have a fixed size determined at compile time and cannot be resized during program execution. Coming to structures. In structures, structures is a user defined data types. It allows you to group different data types into together of data under a single name. Each element within a structure is called member or field. Members within a structure can have different data types. Conditional statements in C. There are two major conditional statements in C. Those are if else and switch. If else, it allows you to execute different code block based on whether a given condition is true or false. This is the operation of if else statement. There are four under if else: if else, if else if, nested if. Coming to switch statement, it is used when you have single expression with several possible constant values. Microcontroller. Microcontroller is a compact integrated circuit designed to govern a specific operation in an embedded system. A typical microcontroller includes processor, memory, input-output peripherals on a single chip. It is a computer on a chip that contains all the elements of a computer such as electronic memory, input-output interfaces and control process. Based on bit configuration, the microcontrollers are divided into three categories. Those are 8-bit microcontroller, 16-bit microcontroller and 32-bit microcontroller. In 8-bit microcontroller, it is used to execute arithmetic and logical operations. In 16-bit microcontroller also, it is also used to perform arithmetic and logical operation, but it is of higher accuracy and performance is required. Coming to 32-bit microcontroller, it is generally used in automatically controlled appliances like automatical operational machines, medical appliances, etc. PIC 16F877A. It is a popular microcontroller manufactured by Microchip Technology. It belongs to the PIC family of microcontrollers and is widely used in various embedded system and electronic projects due to its features and capabilities. Features and capabilities of these microcontrollers are: it consists of 3 timers, it is of high performance, and we can execute about 20 instructions per nanosecond. It also consists of I/O ports. There are majorly 4 I/O ports in this microcontroller. Coming to interrupts, it is a signal which makes the processor to stop its current task and proceed to execute handler set for interrupting sources. There are major 2 interrupting sources, those are external and internal. Classification of interrupts are maskable and non-maskable. Maskable means which can be avoided. The interrupts that can be avoided is known as maskable, and the interrupts that cannot be avoided is called as non-maskable. Coming to timers, as we all know, in PIC 16F877A, we have 3 independent timers which can be used as timer, counter or PWM. Based on the instruction cycle, the length of the timer and the resolution, the period of the tick, we can know the timers. CLCD is a dot matrix liquid crystal display. It can be configured to drive a dot matrix display under the control of a L4 or 8-bit microcontroller pins available. The pins available in CLCD are VSS, VDD, V0, RS, RE, read and write. VSS indicates ground for negative supply. VDD is for voltage supply. VO is for contrast control, and RS, RE and read write for reading and writing. Software which we are using for this project is MPLAB IDE, PicsimLab and compiler, MPLAB compiler. MPLAB IDE is a free integrated toolset for the development of embedded application on microchips. It is called as integrated development environment because it provides a single integrated environment to develop code for embedded microcontrollers. Next, PicsimLab. It is a real-time emulator of development boards with integrated MPLAB AVG GDB debuggers. It also supports some Pixim microcontrollers and some Sem AVR microcontrollers also. Compiler. XC8 is a popular C compiler developed by Microchip Technology specifically for their PIC microcontrollers. It is used to compile C code into machine code that can be executed on PIC microcontrollers. This compiler supports a wide range of PIC microcontrollers and offers optimization for efficient code generations. And coming to the project which we are doing today is washing machine simulation using PicsimLab. It is a virtual machine environment that mimics the functionality of a real washing machine using PIC microcontroller simulation. As we all know that washing machine simulation project aims in simulation the operation of washing machine, including features such as selecting different wash cycles, setting the water temperature, setting the water level, controlling the washing duration, and displaying the information status on the LCD screen that is present in the microcontroller. This will be the aim of our project today. Now we will be seeing on how to run and build the project using PicsimLab. I will be using MPLAB for building the project. First of all, we need to create a folder with the name and place all the header files and source file in the particular folders. This is the main file. I have included all the header files in the main file main.c. All the header files are placed here, and I have also initialized all the values of C, LCD, digital keypad, timers, etc. And also I have initialized the value of fan, buzzer and motor to 0. 0 indicates off and 1 indicates on, right? Yeah. Now I will be showing you how to build this project. First of all, click on the folder, right click on the folder, select clean and build. Once you click and select clean and build, you can see a message like clean successful, and also you can see a message that the build is also successful. Once again it will pop up. You can see that it's running. Yeah, if you get this build successful, then the code is error free. Yeah, once the loading is completed, we can say that our HEX file is successful and the build is successful. Now I will be showing you how to run the project in PicsimLab. First of all, we need to select the board in PicsimLab. I will be selecting PIC Gen iOS board, and the microcontroller which I will be using is PIC 16F8778. This is the microcontroller that I will be using. Once you load the board and the microcontroller, you need to set the clock timer to 20. It will be in default to 8, but we need to do for 20. And LCD screen, in default it will be 6:2. We need to replace it with 16 into 4. 16 into 4 means 16 characters with 4 lines. 16 into 4. Once all this is done, let's load our HEX file. To load the HEX file, go to File, press on Load HEX. A pop-up appears. Here you need to select the path where the project is. go to the folder and you can select the HEX file. Once you select the HEX file, click on open. As you can see, the message comes in the LCD screen saying that welcome, press key 5 to power on washing machine. Now I have set some keys on this microcontroller. For key 4 I have used RB3, for key 5 I have used RB4 switch, and for key 6 I have used RB5 button, and for interrupt I have used RB0 button. Now I will be showing you how to run the project. First of all, press on key 5. Once if I press the key 5 button, you can see that the project is washing machine is powering on, and you can see the programs which you want to select. There are majorly 8 programs which I have placed. I'll be showing you all the programs. If you single click on key 4 for a short period of time, it changes its option. We can change the option. So I'll be showing you all the options which is there in this program. Bed sheets, woolen, rinse plus dry, dry only, wash only, aqua store. This is the options. Now I'll select daily. To select daily, we need to long press on key 4, the same key 4 button. We need to long press it for about 5 to 7 seconds. Now I'll be pressing the button for up to 7 seconds. Yeah, as you see, the next module appears here. It says you to select the water level which you want. I'll be selecting low. Basically there are 5 levels: auto, low, medium, high and max. I'll be selecting low. To select low, once again you need to press the key 4 button for a long press of 5 to 7 seconds. I'll be pressing now. As you can see, it came to the next module saying that press switch key 5 to start and key 6 to reset. If I press the key 6 button, it resets the program and goes to the initial path, initial place. If I press the key 5 button, it starts the program, it starts running the program. So I will be pressing the key 5 button now. As you can see, if I press the key 5 button, the program loads and it starts running. The program starts running, the washing starts running. And there is also 2 options available here: press key 5 to start and press key 6 to pause. If we want to pause the washing machine, we can just press on key 6 to pause the machine. As you can see, when I press the key 6 button, it will pause the washing machine, and if I press the key 5 button, it again continues from where it is left out. And if there is, in case if there is any interrupt or disturbance in the washing machine, like if the washing machine is open, you will get this type of buzzer noise. This is what I have set for interrupt. I will be using this. When I press on this, you can see that the buzzer is making sound. It says that the door is open, please close the door. Once if I release this, the program starts continuing. And once after the program is completed, the buzzer automatically sounds again. Yes, this is about the project. This is how we run the project. This is the project which is there. Conclusion of this project: using PicsimLab, we can do washing machine simulation using PicsimLab. It has served as an effective tool for learning and applying concepts in this embedded system internship. It has offered hands-on experience that complemented theoretical knowledge and provided a foundation for further exploration in the field of automation and control system. This is about the project. Thank you guys.